Today I'm going to show you how to convert a page canvas to a site canvas. Canvases can be split into two categories: page canvases and site canvases. Page canvases are used once on your website. Site canvases, on the other hand, are used across your entire website. There is one master site canvas which is saved under your site canvases list. Any updates made to the master site canvas will automatically carry across your entire website wherever that site canvas has been added. To convert a page canvas to a site canvas, the first thing we want to do is select the page that contains the page canvas. From there, we want to select the Page tab to access the canvas list. Next, we want to select the ellipses icon next to the canvas name to access the canvas options. For example, rename, add canvas view, duplicate, copy, convert to site canvas, or delete. The next step is to select Convert to Site Canvas. And once we've done this, the canvas will now appear in the site canvas list down the bottom of the dashboard on the left-hand side. Any changes made to this canvas will now be reflected on both the desktop and the mobile designs across your entire website wherever this particular site canvas has been added.